Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix, unfortunately camera has stopped and how to fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first thing what you have to do is just have to check the default camera driver software in the phone, and you have to check if installing the new updates on the OS, which can sometimes even fix the issue up. So in order to go for the OS, you just have to go over here and go for the software update. By doing this has to be fixed. Moving on to the next one is all about make sure you aren't using a third-party camera application that is not compatible with your Realme Narzo 50A. If you are using it, then you will be having the issues, as well as disable the safe mode if you are running in the same. And also this problem could be there just because the phone is something wrong with any of the hardware components inside the devices, as well as close the camera application which is running in the background and open it again after 30 seconds, and sometimes these can fix the issue. You have to throw it all away. And also delete the cache of the camera applications if it is third party as well as the default, and check if this is help you to deal with the problem. Also you have to check and make sure the actual problem is not just caused just because the camera lens is faulty or it is damaged. So if it is having those options, you will be having these kind of issue. So you have to check it is not fallen from your bare hands, or the lenses are not working good, so definitely you will be having the issue. So you have to check this part also. Also there might be no storage space available in the devices which is causing the problem, so you have to check in this way. And the memory selected for storing the camera files and the same can cause a problem. So most of the item in the camera related common problems in Realme Narzo are just because of no other reason behind this. So these are the basics which you have to try out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.